A Canadian billionaire is about to make the largest foreign investment ever made in an Indian bank. 53,000 crore rupees, that's $5.5 billion. And it's for a bank that you've probably walked past by, the IDBI Bank. Hi, I'm Nupur and you are watching Control Z, your cheat code to navigating adulthood. Well, according to a report on Economic Times, the government has reportedly confirmed the buyer for IDBI Bank this week. Fairfax Holdings, run by Prem, Watsa, who is often called Canada's Warren Buffett. Right now, IDBI Bank is majority owned by the government and LIC, which is India's largest insurer. LIC took a controlling 51% stake back in 2019 for 21,624 crore rupees, which is what made IDBI a private sector bank in the first place. Now both the government and LIC are selling. The government is offloading 30.48% of its 45.48% stake. On the other hand, LIC is selling 30.24% of its holding. Together, that's 60.72% of the bank going to one buyer. Now, Fairfax's winning number was 81 rupees per share. That's up from 75 rupees they offered last year, the sweetened bid that finally got the government to say yes in meetings at the Finance Ministry on Tuesday. Next in line is a formal notification, then a letter of intent, then the share purchase agreement. But this deal almost did not happen. Fairfax and Dubai's Emirates NBD both bid for IDBI in February. Both bids came in below the government's reserved price, which was never disclosed, and the process was suspended on 31st March. IDBI shares hit a 52-week low that day, 61 rupees. Since then, the stock has climbed nearly 42%. It closed Tuesday at 86 rupees 54 paisa, already above Fairfax's offer price, which tells you the market is pricing in more deal news or a possible open offer premium. Now, this deal isn't final yet. The RBI has to clear Fairfax under its fit and proper ownership test. The Competition Commission of India has to approve the deal, and by law, Fairfax will have to make an open offer to buy shares from IDBI's public shareholders too. There's one more wrinkle. Fairfax's Indian arm already owns 40% of CSB Bank. Regulators may eventually push for the two banks to merge, though the RBI could allow extra time for that. Now, why does the size of this deal matter? Well, the previous record for foreign investment in an Indian bank was Emirates NBD buying 60% of RBI Bank for $2.75 billion in 2025. Now, this deal is exactly double that. It's also a signal. The government has budgeted around 80,000 crore rupees from selling state assets this year and has raised only 20,272 crore rupees so far. A deal this size does a lot of the heavy lifting and tells foreign investors that India is serious about opening up its banking sector. For now, IDBI Bank stays state-linked on paper. But once RBI and CCI sign off, one of India's oldest development banks will be foreign-owned for the first time. And the biggest foreign bet on an Indian bank in history will be official.